Jeanette. PIK past 1050. Remember, that was the magic number. We break 1050, moving to 11, okay? You break 11, you're going to 1150. PIK. Let me go live here. All right, we should be live here. Pop this chat out. Get rid of this. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, moderators, we should be live on everything. Pop this chat out. There it goes. Minimize this.
Yeah, TikTok is up.
Thank you. Refresh this screen. There we go. Minimize.
It also had to flip the screen around.
Yep, will do. This one is now up. Pop this chat out. There we go. All right, this one's up. This one's up. This one's up. This one's up. And this one is up. Okay, there we go. I'll flip the screen just right now. Good morning, everybody. Screen is flipped. Let me get the widget up for our clock. There we go. Detach. Here we go. Nice big large clock. There you go. Okay. Now we're cooking with gas. PIK popped up to 1070 again. This is what we're watching this morning. Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had an amazing weekend and you got all of your beauty rest. Get ready to rock and roll because we're at it again here at American Dream Trading. It's now 9 o'clock in the morning, March 11th. Thank you so much for being here. I want to thank all my moderators before we get this party started. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, and Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Kaizen, Jimmy Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Excuse me. You guys let me know if PIK starts to head towards 11, would you? Again, thank you to all of our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We appreciate you every single day. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force, going on 8 years now. Thank you, buddy. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Where's no truck drivers in here today? Thank you. There we go. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
I get out of the truck for 30 seconds and I miss it.
You're like, damn it, I'm glued to this seat till he says this thing.
All right, now we can roll. Let's go.
Yes, now we can start our week. All right, thank you, brother. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you. Okay, just so you guys know, one of the ones that we're watching this morning is PIK, only because it's such a super low floater. Massive volume, 3.3 million volume. Its average volume is 260K. The free float is 344K, meaning there's not a lot of shares to trade. This thing gapped up to $19. It doesn't mean it's going to, but I see some huge potential with this stock. It's staying up nicely. It drifted back down to 890. Now it's above the 200 and VWAP. So, excuse me. We'll see. Just one of those ones that we want to keep an eye on. Thank you, Trevi. I see you in the U.S. Navy. We appreciate you, man. Absolutely. Thank you. I see everybody. If you're over on YouTube, say good morning. Let me know you are here. Same with Twitch. Let me know you are here. We are live on all the things right now. We are live on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. So good morning, everybody. Always great to see your lovely faces. We have a new promotion video that was released. Thank you, Dawn. I'm going to actually play it right now. This is going to talk about all of our products and services. Let me see, where did I stash that? Here it is. Give me 1 second. This is going to be for all of our products and services. I'm just going to play it now. It's a 2-minute video, but this will tell you everything you need to know. If you want to sign up for any of these services, head on over to American Dream Trading. I'm going to share my screen as well so everybody, you guys can see this. Here it comes. And let's keep the mics closed just for a moment. Here we go. This is all of our products and services and the prices. If you want to sign up for any of the services, of course, website is always here. $200 for our regular membership gets you immediately into Zoom. You can see every trade I make. You'll get hot stock picks, the videos on demand, the IPO center, and the pre-market setup, all with the regular $200 membership. When you're ready to step it up, though, I highly recommend the VIP membership. You'll be able to start trading early at 4 a.m. You'll get to trade with some of our other millionaires inside of that room. You guys will get masterclass training with me every day at 8:15. You'll get the VIP lounge, all of those hot stock picks, pre-market setup. You're going to get the IPO center, the videos on demand, all of the workshop classes for free, and we put one of those on every single month. You'll get all the VIP training videos, the Trading View indicator. These were designed specifically based on my 2-minute EWO, which, by the way, no trader in the world has ever used what we are doing with the Elliott Wave Oscillator. And we have a lot of people finding success, obviously, with this. You'll also get VIP seating at the meetups. If you are a VIP member and you want more training, VIP Gold, you can add that on for an additional $2,500 a year. Right now, as one of the specials that I have, this could go away, but right now, if you sign up for the VIP Gold, you will have a free one-on-one with a moderator. That is a $500 value just for that. And mastermind classes, you get every mastermind class for free during your subscription. You'll get 1 hour of tech support if you need it, so we can remote in, we can help you set up those charts. Anything specific, right, that will get you going, we can help you with that. You're also going to get, for the first time ever, weekend training. We're doing it every Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern. And because it's the weekend, it is literally like a one-on-one. You'll also get our new service showing us everything, right, that's going on in the market, and breakout rooms. So anytime we do a breakout room, that's only for VIP Gold members. You guys will be able to access that. Use your affiliate account. You guys will also get a piece of everything. So you have family members, neighbors, people in your church, people that you guys want to help out. You can give them your link, and that will also give you a kickback immediately. It's immediate. As soon as they pay for it, you guys will get money. You'll see it in your monies that you can just withdraw. Send them to AmericanDreamTrading.com. There you go. Thank you, Dawn. Nice job on that. That'll save my voice.
You're welcome.
Outstanding work, Dawn. Outstanding.
Now
That was so cool.
Now I
Thank
just
you.
now I just have to remember to play it a couple times a day, right? Because it's so fast that I can just get it out there and hit the button, hit the button, hit the button.
There you go. Save your voice, bud.
That's right. Nice. Thank you very
You're
much.
amazing, Coach. You're amazing.
Appreciate you. If you guys would do me a favor, go over to YouTube if you're not over there right now. Make sure you guys click that subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all the things over on YouTube. We're shooting for 15,000 subscribers right now. You guys can watch the aftermarket program. It starts every day at 4:30 p.m., hosted by our very own Dawn over here. You'll see a lot of members that you talk to throughout the day. So if you have more questions, you'll get your answers over there. Plus, they're also doing a lot of training. They're walking you through different things that happen through the day. Successful trades, not successful trades. You'll get kind of the mindset of what we're doing, exactly the training that we have here. So more training. We are here around the clock, right? 24/7, trying to provide you with as much information as we possibly can. By the way, at AmericanDreamTrading.com, this is absolutely free to sign up for our Discord. You guys can check it out. Come on over. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market education company in the country, as featured in Fortune magazine, Fortune Inc. magazine at Inc.com. So thank you guys again so much for making us one of the highest and top sales, top rated, top of the toppity tippity top. We appreciate all of you being here. And for all of you haters that are out there, if you're wondering why exactly we're doing what we're doing while you guys are getting like 6 viewers and you're just talking trash about us, that's because nobody does what we do here at American Dream Trading, because we're built on the fact that we are always people helping people. So while you got all these cheesy, terrible call out groups and all this other garbage you guys are running, we are actually training, educating, working with from market open to market close, not trying to sell some BS drawn lines in the sand at 3 o'clock in the morning while just talking trash about people. We're actually educating our members. So if you guys want to be a part of it, you're in the right place. My name is Chad, aka The Coach. I'm a 30-plus year experienced stock market trader and trainer. I train over 100,000 people a day. I have trained millions of people on how to educate yourselves here in the stock market. Thank you, Mark, for those gifts. We absolutely appreciate it. So I always get stuff, right? They're like, Coach, there's a new hater out there. Listen, we don't need to worry about these people. Seriously, it's because they're not doing anything. There's nothing going on. Their groups, right? They're just not educating you in any way. So if my mouth or my name is coming from their mouth, just ignore it. Seriously, don't feed into it. Just ignore it. Move on. We really don't care. We don't have time for that because I want to see all of you guys, right, get better, faster, stronger here in 2024. It's all about health and wealth. I know they get really mad because they think we're all actors. We heard it again over the weekend from somebody. He's like, oh, they're paid actors. Listen, buddy, we got 13,000 members over here. So if you would just start catering to your 6 people that are watching your cheesy stuff, you too, right, would be able to grow your programs because you need to educate people, right? Call out groups, by the way, they do nothing for no one ever. That's why I created this over 3 years ago. This is why I've been live every single day for a year and 7 months, because I wanted to produce something that the world has never seen before, ever. This is why we also have results that the world has never, ever seen before. Some of you are like, oh, it's like a show over there. Thank you. Thank you for the big hand heart. That's awesome. Thank you, Paula. We do want to put on like a show. We do want it to be entertaining, educating, right? And having fun and doing all the things all at the same time. That is why we wanted to put on something that was unique, different. The world has never seen anything like this before. We put out more content on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram than anybody ever has in the history of stock market education. We put on over 130 videos every single month on our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 videos. We have 19 moderators. Thank you for the hearts. Right? We have people standing by. We have full help desk services. Right? This is a giant corporation, multi-million dollar business over here. Right? We take care of people. There are no guarantees. Somebody tried to bash us. Coach is going to get in trouble over there because he's guaranteeing people money and leaving their jobs. No one has ever said that, ever. No one has ever said that in the history of American dream trading. I talk about if you want another way, if you want to learn a way that can teach you how you can leave your 9-to-5 job, as long as you're successful and do the things we talk about and actually grow and develop and study in every waking moment and doing what we're doing, we are finding success with that. But there is no guarantees. Nobody has ever said that. So if you see these cheese balls out here saying this stuff, nobody here has ever said that. Ever. Stock market trading is the hardest thing you will ever do. We've said that since the very beginning. You have to have laser focused. You have to follow the rules, and you have to pay attention to what's going on at all times. Legal, real quick, here at American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, or anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we do is for training and education purposes only. So again, some of the rules that we follow here every single day. If you're a new trader, do not use real money. You should be paper trading only. Never use real money as a new trader. Simulate trading only. Never trade in the first 30 minutes or the last 1 hour of the day. They're the most volatile time of day. So please be mindful of that. Don't overtrade. So you want to look at 1 to 5 trades per day, right? Because you don't want to be over trading. Now, obviously, if you're a master scalper or you're experienced or you've been here a while and you know what you're doing, that's different. But in the beginning, 1 to 5 trades, concentrate on that. Never lose more than 1 to 3% of your account value ever in any given day. No exception to that rule. And if you have 2 red days in a row, stop trading. You're done. Go ahead and take the next month off. Seriously, take 3 to 4 weeks off, evaluate it, find out what's going on. Make sure you are journaling every day what's happening in the mindset of what's going on in your trades. Again, you don't have to be specific to the trade itself, but you do want to have the mindset of what was going on with that trade. Okay, so make sure you have stop losses on each and every single trade. I don't care if it's shares or options, you have to have stop losses on those trades. Make sure you are practicing with small base hits. Small base hits. Don't go for home runs. Allow those runners to run and stop out those losers. We have all sorts of different strategies, whether you're a long-term swing trader, day trader, right? If you want to do options, if you're looking at shares, if you're looking at different retirement accounts, we could give you different tips and strategies on things you could possibly do with those. We have all sorts of stuff here at American Dream Trading. So again, anytime you want to sign up, head right to our website and we'll take care of you. I will never friend request you. I will never send you a message. I will never ask how your trading is going. I will never say I can trade for you. None of that should be happening, right? Those are all fake accounts. Again, we are the largest out here doing this, so there are hundreds of fake accounts, right? Using my image, my videos, trying to make it look like me. They're just trying to take your money, so please be careful of that. By the way, if you see anybody out there, if you're watching TikTok late in the morning, if they ever say they will trade with you, don't do that. That's a scam, right? That's a huge scam. There is no trade with you. There's no such thing. That's an SEC violation. Don't do that, right? So there is no trading with you. So nobody do that. I don't want anybody to get into trouble for that. Don't let anybody scam your money. You guys need to be mindful. Hold on one second.
I'm just coming to say bye.
All right, love you. Have a good day. All right. So anyways, please, please, please be careful out there. Nobody gets your faces ripped. I don't want nobody being scammed by these cheese balls, right, that are out here trying to sell you stuff and doing all sorts of illegal stuff. Don't do any of that. This is not a pump and dump room, right? We are not falsely calling out stocks and telling you to hold long term and then the bottom's falling out and all this other crap, right? We don't do any of that. This is all a legitimate business. Everything here is about training and education. That is all we are doing over here. This is why we are so successful. Let's be honest, right? This is why we're published on different articles and everybody is talking about us. This is also why we have all the haters. No one has ever seen anybody do what we're doing. And as you know, when you're on the top, everybody wants to knock you down. That's called jealousy, ladies and gentlemen. Don't let any of that overtake your lives. I want you guys to just concentrate on what we're doing. From now on, skip the haters. I don't care what they're talking about. We don't need to know. We don't need to be involved in it. Bye, Felicia. We don't care. You guys can do your own thing. We got our own thing going. Knock yourselves out. You want to have 57 call-out rooms for 6 viewers? Do whatever you want. You want to draw little lines in the sand, right, in your little boxes and try to sell it as a program while you're talking about refugee camps and all this other. You knock yourselves out. All we're going to be doing over here, though, is winning, baby, because that's what we're doing over here at American Dream Trading. We're keeping our eye on the prize. We're trying to be the light for our community, so let's just stay focused on what we're doing and keep rocking and rolling. We got about 13 minutes to the bell. Right now, crypto. So Bitcoin, again, is up here at the new highs, all-time highs again. So crypto, of course, is cranking to the moon. So today you will want to keep an eye on MSTR, Riot, that's R-I-O-T, Mara, M-A-R-A, and MSTR and Coin. So definitely be keeping an eye on those. Those are to the upside. NVIDIA, by the way. Oh, somebody say something? Somebody need me, or was that just an open mic? Must have been open mic. Okay. NVIDIA. Everybody was like, Coach, what happened on Friday with NVIDIA? Well, it ran up to $970. Okay. So NVIDIA running up there, up towards that $1,000 mark, that's going to be a huge level of resistance. So every time it even gets close to $1,000, watch for resistance, because it's going from a 3-digit to a 4-digit stock. It's going to be a big, big, big deal, okay? So NVIDIA, of course, with its violent pre-market swings and 24-hour trading and all sorts of craziness, right? We're seeing like $50 swings on this thing. So be mindful of that if and when you are trading NVIDIA. If a stock like NVIDIA is too big, you guys can always look at Soxl, SOXL for smaller accounts. If Tesla is too large and you can't trade it, TSLL. If SPY, if we're talking about SPY, but you can't get in, SPXL. There's usually something smaller, and we have a whole list, by the way, over on our Discord in our training and education area. There's always a smaller version of what it is out there, so you can still make the trade with this smaller dollar amount, right? So you don't run into anything. Again, if you guys are newer, you definitely want to be trading shares only. You can put stops on those, trailing stops, but options are, of course, the most risky. Please be careful. Options, right? They have time decay. They lose their value. You're always worried about gamma. So if the bottom falls out or, right, something happens with it, the prices is changing constantly. So please be careful when you're trading options. If you are doing anything that has to do with 0 day till expiration, meaning that today is the day it's expiring, don't buy any of those after lunch. There's too much theta or time decay already built into it. So I would recommend either the next day if it's like a SPY situation or the following Friday, look at something farther out, even if you plan on selling it same day. Okay, that's for 0 day expiration. 10 minutes to the bell. Other than that, we're going to have another amazing week. It is March 2024. By the way, you guys can watch this for free over on our YouTube channel. So if you go back and you do a replay on the live, so if there was any training or a specific trade you wanted to see what we were talking about or what we were doing, just go back over on YouTube and you'll see it right up here with the clock. Just look at the clock so you can note the time that it happened, right? If you're driving or whatever, say, hey, March 11th at 9:20, Coach was talking about this. That way, when you rewatch the video, you can head over there. And again, over on our YouTube, we have playlists now. So if you guys are wanting to know specifics about maybe swing trading or scalping or 2-minute EWO or different strategies, check out that playlist. The playlist we're trying to make more organized so it has a complete breakdown so you guys can get into a playlist and learn as much information about that specific topic. All right, so keep an eye on that. Congratulations to Nate, by the way. Nate has now made, what did he say this year? $250,000, I believe. So congratulations to you, Nate, who's in Paris today. That's awesome. Enjoy your time over there, buddy. We love you. Hope you're having an amazing time. We absolutely appreciate it. Thank you, by the way, for everybody who shares your success stories and those of you that ask questions throughout the day. It does help our system. All we ask is please just hold off on regular questions for the first 30 minutes of the market open because that is the most volatile. Between 9:30 and 10 is when the market goes crazy, right? So during that time, you will hear us calling out different stocks and movements, but please, if you're new, do not trade any of those. This is for experienced traders only. We're checking different levels that's going on. We've already earmarked like where it can go and what it could possibly do. We already understand the mechanics. We already know how to put stop losses in place. We already know what we should be doing. So if all you're hearing is a lot of different call outs, you won't know what to do with that. All right. So that is only for our experienced traders keeping an eye on. It's really just keeping an eye on what's going on in the market. I'm always using TradingView over here with our 2-minute EWO indicators. By the way, we just use these as a reference and a guide. We're not specifically trading off of this because that's the other thing I see haters all the time. Oh, they're just trading off indicators. No, we're not. Not at all. Never have. Never will. It's all based on my training that then you can just use this as a visual reference to help you with that trade. We didn't have these TradingView indicators up till about 6 months ago. This wasn't even a thing. We were doing it all without it. So just another tool for you guys to use in your belt. Real quick too, by the way, if you were not a part of the mastermind class, How to Grow a Small Account, we have that for sale. If you go to americandreamtrading.com right now, you can actually get this. It's for sale. It's a downloadable file. You guys can get it. It's almost 2 hours of training I highly recommend you guys go check out the mastermind class. Real quick, I'm going to open up the microphones. Did anybody enjoy the mastermind class? Was it worth the money? Go ahead.
Yes,
Of course
sir.
it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
It was
Get that
100%.
course
It
today.
was great.
Yes, sir, it was.
Fantastic. I made money last week because of that class.
Oh, nice.
And coach,
Made a lot of sense.
coach.
Yep, go ahead. Thank you.
So I watched that mastermind class over the weekend, and it was absolutely life changing. What I'd like to do on Friday, I'd like to donate the video, and we can do a giveaway on Friday.
Oh, nice. I
To one
appreciate that.
person.
Yeah, that's cool. We'll do that
Yeah.
live. Yeah, thank you, man. I
Yeah, just
appreciate
let
that.
me know. Let me know how I can pay for it and
Yeah,
do all
yeah.
that.
Yeah, Bruno will, if he's probably not in here, one of the moderators, can you just create a ticket, tag Josh, and then we'll work on the billing and stuff later. That's awesome. Thank you, Josh. We
Got it.
appreciate that.
Yeah, absolutely. I think if anyone can watch it, and I don't want money to be an issue for someone, I mean, this is $1 million information, and I don't want someone to be priced out of that.
That's awesome. Thank you, man. That's very cool. We appreciate that. Very cool. How cool is that? That's awesome. So we'll do that. We'll do that giveaway Friday. That's very cool. So again, if you guys want to check that out, the mastermind class, it is available. Let me take you to our website here real quick since we got a minute. This is what our website right now looks like. So if you guys go to americandreamtrading.com, you will see the mastermind class, how to grow a small account, listed right here. We also have all of our products and services. I know it might be hard to see because it's so bright, but up here you'll see all of our products and services. There's our premium. So monthly, 3 months, or a year. You'll see here's the VIP. You can get monthly, 3 months, or a year. I highly recommend you guys check that out. Our prices are about to go up. We've kept these same prices, by the way, for, well, it'll be a year towards the end of this month, and we haven't moved that price at all. So seriously, take a look at it. VIP, $2,500. VIP Gold, $2,500. Each one has their own specific thing. Oh, and by the way, I renamed the VIP Gold Annual, which is both of them included. So now it's called VIP Gold Complete. That is the VIP and the VIP Gold combined into one. It's called VIP Gold Complete. So that is a one full package. So if you don't have any of them yet, right now you can lock that in for $5,000 a year. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yep, I appreciate everybody. All right, yeah. Nobody direct message me about, nope, don't direct message me about getting a free video and all that. I don't have time to answer all that. Appreciate you guys though. Don't worry.
Sorry, coach. I opened the gates.
That's all right. Yeah, no, it's good. I like it. It's always about people helping people. I don't mind it. It's just I don't know why they direct message me. And I'm doing a show. For God's sakes, man, it's 9:26. We got 4 minutes. I don't have time to be reading direct messages about I'd like a free video thing. Just chill out. Calm down. Calm yourselves. Everybody will have an opportunity. We'll figure out a fair and fun way to give that away like we always try to do, right? NVIDIA, by the way, is tanking. It's down 1 point. No, you're fine. Don't even worry about it. It's not a problem. Love your face. I'm not mad about it. I'm just saying I'm just trying to be mindful so I don't get 100 of those. Not mad at all. All right, 9:27. We've got 2.5 minutes to the bell. NVIDIA's pulling here. Now remember, if anything has been running up in the market like MSTR and coin and all the other stuff, please be careful. Because if they've been running up the whole time in the pre-market, typically what will happen at the bell is they will tank because everybody's going to want to collect their profits, right? This is why it's really dangerous taking something, holding it through the pre-market bell into, right, the opening session, because that is people wanting to take profits. So please, please, please be careful. Where are we at? 2 minutes. Now remember, if we get any call outs today, make sure they are clear and concise. We want to catch any of the 2-minute EWOs on the first candle if we can on the first 2-minute EWO. That just prepares us and gets everybody ready Let me make this. I'm going to make this clock extra large. There we go. There we go. The world's largest clock. Can you guys see that now? Yeah, that's nice. Woo-wee. So nice. Again, one of the ones, now listen, it doesn't mean it's going to, but one of the ones that I am going to be watching today is PIK, only because it had such a huge gap up, low flow, lots of volume. Does not mean, listen, it does not mean it's going to do anything. This thing could tank. So I don't want anybody with any bias in here. We need to wait for this thing to break this. Excuse me. That breaks 11. We should have a nice move or the 1050 range. Other than that, please be mindful. Less than 1 minute. Don't forget shift change at 10 o'clock, meaning more volume comes into the market. But we will keep you guys in the loop throughout the day. Do me a favor right now. Double tap those screens. Double tap those screens. Thank you for all those gifts, by the way. I do appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following. Everybody who is not following me, click that follow button. I do appreciate it. All right, here we go, everybody. 30 seconds. 30 seconds to blast off. 20 seconds. Here we go, everybody. Be cool. Know your rules. Nobody go rogue. Nobody, and I repeat, nobody go rogue. Don't forget, go pick up your mastermind class right now. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Here we go. Let's have an amazing week. Love your faces. Everybody be cool. All right, here we go. Again, I'm watching PIK. I want to see if this is going to have a pop or not. Otherwise, I'll put it on the back burner. There goes SPY. There goes PIK starting to make a move. PIK.
Apple going to the upside, breaking pre-market level.
Thank you. MSTR sell off. There goes PIK. There's 10. 10-12 on PIK. It's exactly what I wanted to see coming out of the gate here on it. A lot of volume pouring into PIK. Touched this 890 and it just drove up to 1015. That was beautiful. First thing right out of the gate. We'll keep an eye on it. MSTR pulling back. I'm going to get my trading view indicators up here. SPY up here on resistance. Apple to the upside.
Amazon Meta new low day,
Thank you.
breaking pre-market level.
Thank you. NVIDIA's trying to make a move to the upside here on NVIDIA. PIK pulling back below 890. Fading. Nothing's going on with PIK. Big sellers coming in on that. That's a no bueno. Wait on that till that break of 1050. The break of 1050 on that would be nice. I mean, we had a beautiful scalp at the open, but I would seriously be waiting on that 1050. 1050 would be a good place for it. But as long as this stays volume, I'm going to keep an eye on this all day today. I'm going to put this over here. All right, SPY, yeah, SPY at 511 is resistance. The Q's pulled back as soon as it hit resistance on videos crashing out.
Tesla new high day.
Green EWO.
Thank you, Tesla. Tesla on its second 2-minute EWO to the upside. Tesla, second 2-minute EWO to the upside.
Google cranking up to the upside, new high day.
Thank you. Apple still moving up.
Meta and Amazon new low day.
Careful,
going
too many
down.
call outs, Nana. Be careful. Clogging up the works. Love your face, though. NVIDIA's crashing right here, pulling hard.
ELTR stepping up nicely as it does many mornings.
Thank you. NVIDIA broke 863 to the downside. Everybody see that on NVIDIA? Watching PIK again. There's 10. Very volatile little stock today. See it? Apple still to the upside. Apple still stair-stepping to the upside on a 2-minute EWO.
Same with PLTR, rocket shipping.
PLTR to the upside.
Tesla 2-minute green.
Yep, Tesla's still in the 2-minute EWO. Thank you. Good call outs.
SOXL new low day.
Thank you.
Q's 2-minute red.
Yep, I see it. Qs are on the second 2-minute EWO to the downside. Qs second 2-minute EWO downside.
Meta crushing really hard new low day.
Thank you. Nvidia also to the downside. PLTR stair stepping nicely to the upside.
Ford 2-minute green.
Is that first or second?
Second.
Thank you. Apple still to the upside. 2-minute EWO is looking great. Same with PLTR.
You just draw that line on your chart for PLTR?
I did. Look at that thing.
I just looked at it and it wasn't there.
Yep, yep. I'm fast, man.
AI first 2-minute green.
Thank you. Qs are bouncing on support. Right here. See if this can get a move to the upside on the Qs. Still waiting on PIK. Volatile little stock right there. Start looking for these little channels on PIK.
Coach, Meta is down 4% already. Still going down really fast.
Thank you. Meta still to the downside. It did, looks like it found support right here at 483, right when I said the Qs bounced on support. So be careful. Apple continuing to climb. PLTR still to the upside.
Hot stock DUO is moving up.
Hot stock DUO moving to the upside. Okay, thank you. Getting good volume in on DUO.
This line you high.
Thank you. Apple still climbing. Anybody in Apple? That's a perfect setup still. Apple?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, that's a perfect setup on Apple over there. Super strong on Apple. Big volume, by the way, on Apple. 2% Apple upside. Strong, strong. Looks like Nvidia found support down here. Moving. Looking at VWAP levels now. PIK above the 200 and VWAP moving up. PIK getting lots of volume in now. See if that can continue to stair step. PIK, there comes the volume. Here comes the boom. See it? $10.15 right here, 3 times in a row. Resistance. See it? Here, here, here. You know what that means, everybody. You break 10.15, you're going to get a big pop, yes? Okay, good. That's been over and over and over. Nvidia above VWAP. Looking nice. Found support at 845 on VWAP or on Nvidia here. Apple still to the upside. SPY making a move up. Nvidia's flying to the upside. Now at 869 on Nvidia. PIK breaks 10.15. You're going to get a big pop, everybody. Do you hear me?
Yep. I'm waiting.
Yeah, this is primed to launch. Got to get these sellers out of here at 10:15, and this thing is going to go next level. Here we go. There's 10:15. It's got to break. See some buyers stacked up in here at 972. See if we get a nice run. It has to break that level, otherwise it's not going to do anything. Let me kill these mics. Remember, once we get into these trades too, kill those mics. Apple still stair-stepping to the upside. It is touching VWAP here. Looks like NVIDIA found resistance. Be careful around this 874. Still moving up nicely, though. NVIDIA is still super strong here. Qs are up on resistance now. Apple pulling back. Qs are on resistance. NVIDIA still extremely strong. PIK. Sellers every time at 10:15. What a great thing to scoop up when it falls right here. Every time, right? Scalpers? It's done it every single time. Still keeping an eye on it. Apple below VWAP. Be careful here. NVIDIA back up to this 874 on NVIDIA. This is where we want to see NVIDIA break. We're on a double top for NVIDIA right here. Critical area for NVIDIA double top. Everybody seeing this? Be cautious. Qs just broke through resistance. That's big, big level. First 2-minute EWO on NVIDIA. First 2-minute EWO on NVIDIA. Apple climbing back up. It did not break and hold to the downside on Apple. Still bullish. NVIDIA, if it's going to be pulling, oh, look at this. This is unique. Look. Resistance, support. Everybody see it? Look at this. Look at that. This is tight.
Hot stock TCBP is taking off.
Thank
Bigly.
you. Thank you. TCBP to the upside. TCBP to the upside. Thank you. Yep, moving up nicely. 110% on that hot stock pick. 118% now. Moving up nicely. NVIDIA right here getting volume. Still sitting on resistance. Still sitting on resistance here. Major resistance level on NVIDIA. There goes TCBP, 126%, moving up nicely, 130%. TCBP moving up nicely here.
Watch at 250.
Yeah, big old wall at 250. Buyers at 243. Apple super strong. Who stayed in there on that 2-minute EWO? All you should have done right there was shed, right?
Howdy, coach.
Good job.
Salute, coach.
Nice job.
I shedded, but I had it back in.
TCBP halted up.
Thank you. Hot stock pick, TCBP, our first halt of the week.
That's what I was just climbing, coach.
Tesla.
Got an Apple on the pullback, coach.
Oh, nice job. Yeah, Tesla climbing up nicely at 2.5% now to the upside on Tesla. PIK, still trading this little thing, but at 890 here, this has been around its, let's see, right? 870 has been its support. So this has been its channel. 870 to 1015. Monster scalping area. Let's see. Mastermind, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yes, I have a question. So if TCBP just halted, can I drag my stop loss up and not get torn through when it unhalts?
No, sir. If you move it, if you touch that while it's halted, it will break your stop.
That's what I thought.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
thank you, sir.
Yep. Just wait till the second it goes live, right?
Sounds good.
All right, you got it. Congratulations if you're in there. Nice job.
Yes, sir.
Okay, somebody let me know when we're exactly 1 minute from unhalt on TCBP, by the way. That'd be great.
Coach, previously hot stock pick MEDS halted up.
Thank you. MEDS. Thank you. What else do we got? Just going to bounce around for a second. MSTR 601 volume, nothing major yet. Moderna, look at this. Look at mRNA. mRNA. mRNA, look at Moderna. Look at this stair stepper. Wow, that's beautiful, right? Neo following Tesla. Coin on the rise now. Coin above VWAP. Coin getting good volume here. Moderna, man, that's looking nice. mRNA. %8 now on mRNA. Check it out. You guys seeing it? Now 8.5%. 8.7%. mRNA. This is a nice stair stepper. Woo! mRNA. Keep an eye on that. Looking real nice. All right, while we got a second, let me check in with everybody, see how everybody's doing. Nice. How we all doing, everybody? All the live.
Very nice, Coach.
Okay, good.
Especially with Tesla. Thank you.
Nice.
NVIDIA second 2 minute green.
Oh, thank you. NVIDIA looks like it's back up here on resistance. Triple top for NVIDIA. Triple top here for NVIDIA. See what NVIDIA is going to do here. NVIDIA breaks that triple top, you're going to get a nice pop. PIK finding support at that 873 again. Everybody seeing that down there?
15 seconds on hold with TCBP.
There it is. TCBP is live now. TCBP is live now. 150%. TCBP. 138%. It's pulling back. Found support at 224. Remember, a lot of sellers were at 250. You break 250, though, you'll get a nice big pop out of there. TCBP. Keep an eye on this one still. It's staying up strong. Here it goes. There's 260. 263. TCBP, very bullish. Sellers at 280. Next set of sellers are at 280 on it. TCBP, 279 it just touched. A lot of sellers at 280. 13,200 sellers at 280.
Seeing a lot of heavy branches as we close in on 10.
Yeah, 280 major set of sellers up there. TCBP stair stepping up nice though. People want to buy it. It's just we got big sellers up here. The longer it consolidates, the more those sellers will stack up. TCBP still moving. NVIDIA could not break the triple top. Pull back to VWAP. Look for support on VWAP for NVIDIA. Q's up there on resistance. Couldn't break. Pulled back. Same with Apple. Spies on support. TCBP is going for 280 again. Can it break the wall? TCBP. Looks like NVIDIA's holding on VWAP for support. See if it can stay up there. PIK 873 was support. That held again, scalpers. Do you see it? Now at 920. TCBP's pulling back. I'm going to flip these, and PIK is moving up. So what I was talking about down here, scalpers, this 873 every time, right? About 870. There goes PIK starting to get a pop. See it? Boy, when that runs, it runs, doesn't it? That's why I said if some buyers come in and take that over, this thing is gone. Got to shake those sellers out. Got to get rid of all those weak hands. 985 are the sellers over here. Can see them stacked up. NVIDIA, bullish. NVIDIA's bullish here. This is a quad. This is a fourth time NVIDIA's touched the ceiling. See it?
Yes, sir.
It has to break this 874 and hold. This is why every time it gets close, it pulls back. There goes PIK. Here we go. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. PIK. There's that 1015. You break that 1015 wall, that thing is gone. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it's touched 1015. Everybody see it? There it goes. There it goes. Oh my gosh, it got to 1067. And sell off. Oh my gosh. That thing, look at
Just
that.
Yeah, heart attack up there.
Yeah. So that was a 870 again to 1070. Did anybody make that run? Because I told you every time on 870. Did anybody make that?
I did, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Went in small, made $75.
Nice job. Super volatile over there, but holy paying out. This thing is the gift that keeps on giving. Look at this every time. Right? So nice. So nice. Okay, I'm moving on now. Looking for the next one. That was fun. I'll put it down here on the back burner. Now we're in scalpy scalp pickup range again. All right, let's see what's happening. NVIDIA, that's the one we want to be keeping an eye on. Let me put this down here. Okay, NVIDIA has to break 874. It still can't do it. Now look at what's happening. Your 200 is tightening and your VWAP's going up. See this? So this channel is getting smaller and smaller and smaller here. Everybody seeing it?
Yes, sir. It's gonna pop or drop.
That's right. It'll be a huge pop or a huge drop, right?
That's right.
Q's pulling back, could not sustain up there. Same with Apple pulling. SPY pulled through support.
Tesla new high.
Thank you. Tesla new high. Nice. There's your PIK pickup at 870 again. Everybody seeing this? Just make sure your stop's below in case eventually it falls out, right? NVIDIA getting ready to crash here. There it goes. Be cautious here. Hovering on VWAP, but this is heavy off of this one. Be careful. It's got a
2-minute red on SPY and Qs.
Thank you. Yep, NVIDIA's flushing out. Q's still to the downside. SPY still pulling. Oh, yeah, NVIDIA's heavy, heavy right there. Look at that.
mRNA just popped up too.
Oh, did it? Moderna still running? Anybody get in on that?
I did.
Yeah, 9. Wow.
Yeah, coach.
Yes.
5 minutes to shift change.
Thank you. NVIDIA, look at this pull. Woo! Look at that. Anybody get in on that one? That was real nice. Below VWAP. Told you that thing
SPY
looked...
puts are nice too.
I told you this looked really heavy right here. Beautiful. There goes PIK. Lights out. Look at this area to scoop up. Next area was 8. Blew through it. 758 right here. Major sell-off on PIK. $750 down here now.
I'm glad I dumped it where they did.
Yeah, absolutely. PIK crashed way down here to 750. Let's open this up. We'll leave that up here now. That's the next area to buy in, is at this 750 with a tight stop. NVIDIA, I muted those mics. Somebody coughed, sneezed, and died inside of our microphones there. NVIDIA starting to move back up. mRNA continuing to climb. Apple making a move back to the upside again. Apple up on a triple top. Apple is up on a triple top here. NVIDIA above VWAP. Excuse me. All right, Apple right here, triple top. $174. Apple needs to break and hold 174. Everybody see it?
Shift change 2 minutes.
Thank you. Shift change in 2. Shift change in 2 minutes. PIK bottom falling out again. Let me pull this up on the big screen, see if there's any levels where we can buy anything, or is this just lights out? I don't see anything really in here. Shift change in 20 minute 20 seconds. Minute and 20 seconds. All right, let's see. Apple up. Apple's still up here on resistance at 174. Has to break 174. Get ready for volume to come in 40 seconds. Oh, I just lost my TikTok. Hold on. Hold on. One of my TikTok feeds went down. Hold on a second. All right, there we go. We're back. Here we go. 5 seconds to shift change. Means more volume's about to pour into the market. Everybody be ready. Here it is. Boom, 10 o'clock.
To the downside, coach.
What? What's to the downside? Missed it. Okay.
Life to the downside.
Life to the upside if you're with American Dream Trading.
Hell yeah.
Very nice.
Hell yeah.
Very nice.
Boom shaka.
That's right. Okay, Qs. Let's see if the Qs are going to bounce. Let me look. Qs are down here on this big double bottom. Let's see if this is support on the Qs.
MEDS halt.
To which side?
Upside.
Thank you. MEDS, previous hot stock pick, is halted to the upside. I think it's its second halt today, isn't it?
Yes.
Thank
That's
you.
correct.
Yep. Thank you. Moderna's still up here. It's only 8.7%. It did run up nice and high. That was Moderna. That was beautiful. Let's see what else we got going on here. Hold on.
ECBP to the upside.
There it is. TCBP. Double top here again. TCBP moving up. TCBP getting a lot of volume in here right here.
AI first 2 minute red.
Thank you. Hot stock pick TCBP getting a lot of volume.
SPY bounced it off support.
Thank you. Apple up here on resistance.
Meta start crashing and burning, you load.
Thank you. Apple up here again, testing 174. Apple's trying to test 174 again.
SPY blew through for support.
Thank you. Apple testing 174. Can it break? TCBP. Lots of volume coming in. That's TCBP. 280 double top. Apple looking strong here. See if this can make a move now. See if we can get a break of 174. Corbin, go ahead.
Hey, Coach. Unfortunately, I got to bounce out for the day, so I needed some truck driver to fill in for me when you do your outro.
Absolutely. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Be safe.
Yeah, I'm putting on the mechanic's hat and go save my kid. He broke down.
Oh, okay, man. Wish you the best of luck, brother. Thank you.
Thanks. Have a good day, everybody.
All right. There goes that TCBP broke through 280. TCBP broke through 280. Is Duo doing anything? Nope, it's not. Okay. Apple pulling back on 174.
Yeah, it's kind of channeling around view up.
Yep. Big time, right?
But I got 3 rides out of it for $1,200. So
oh, nice.
Riding it both ways.
Absolutely. Meta still collapsing. Q's still down. Apple is just trying to make a move up. How's Tesla looking? Still to the upside on Tesla. Strong to the upside on Tesla. Nice.
SPY to the downside has been beautiful too, Coach.
Thank you. There goes Apple collapsing.
TCB breaking, holding above double top.
Thank you. TCBP breaking double top.
That's a new high.
Oh, look at Apple crash. There goes Tesla. Nice move on Tesla here. See if this can continue to ride. Apple, huge pullback off 174. See it? That could not hold, could it?
I'm in it.
Yo, well, just be careful VWAP support on this right here, right?
Yeah, I just been running tight scalps on the backside. So.
Oh, I got you. Nice job.
I'm sorry, stops. That's scalps.
Yep. All right, let's see if Tesla's got more here. TCBP, still moving up nicely. Up 8K on Meta puts. Good job, T-Sizzle. Nice work. Great job. Love it. SPY's still crashing out. Look at Apple's gone.
Coach.
Yay, what's up?
Hey. On my way to work, I made $350. It's like 300.
Yes.
I don't know, like 350.
Yes, nice job.
I would have still been SPY if it wasn't a technical difficulty. Like it kept buying contracts.
Oh.
Like for whatever whatever technical difficulty it was, it just kept buying contracts this morning. All but.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Well, actually on my way to work and I'm looking at SPY, I'm like, oh my God, it would have been up like 2,000, but it is what it is. I'll take my 350 to the bank. But I just wanted to say thank you.
Yeah, great job, man. Have a great day at work.
Thank you, sir. Like literally, I'm about to leave this job. Like literally, sir. Thank you.
That's awesome. Well, let us know when you do. We'll throw a big retirement party for you. Great job.
Way to go, DC.
Woohoo! Yes.
Moderna made a new higher today.
Thank you.
Thank you paid after 175.
Exactly. Look at Moderna, new high. Moderna new high. Nice job. Nice, nice. Apple support at 173. This is support on Apple. See it?
Yeah, coach. These are even with 10 contracts. These are $400 moves.
Oh,
Right across
yeah.
the channel. This is now the fourth time I'm backing calls.
Yeah, that's beautiful, right?
It's gorgeous. Couldn't be any easier.
Yep. Love it. Moderna new high, 10% up on Moderna. Hopefully you guys got in earlier when I was talking about Moderna. It's just stair stepping the whole way. It's beautiful. Tesla here on the pullback. That was at 182.87. What time is it? 10:09. I have to leave soon too. I have an appointment, just so you guys know. I got to get out of here in about maybe 6 minutes. So nobody freak out. I know.
I'm freaking out.
I know.
I'm
Everybody,
freaking out,
everybody be cool. It'll be all right. I know. I know. Tesla, huge pullback here. Bottom falling out.
Coach, if you look at Uber, same thing. It's been crashing all day.
Yeah, the market is pretty wild. MSTR making a nice move up here. Yeah, Uber stair stepping all the way down. Moderna, just a beautiful runner. TCBP getting ready to do it again. See it up here on the 280. It's looking for a 280 break. TCBP's looking for that 280 break. See if it can do it. Seeing buyers stacking up at 262. TCBP looks like it's making its move now. TCBP, here we go. Let's see if we get a nice pop on the break of 280. 280 is where all those sellers were sitting. Breaks 280. We're moving up to, it's trying to get to 3 if it can break 280. 280 is critical over on TCBP. Everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
See if we get a nice pop.
I'm done trading for the day, coach. Only traded stocks, made 2,600 plus at the pre-market. I'm finishing up trading stocks this morning with a total profit of $2,925.
There you go. Nice job, partner. Nicey nice. TCBP still here trying to break this 280. Lot of sellers above though. Seeing them stacked at 290 and 3. I won't touch this again until the break of 3. Just quick scalped it for $400. Watching for the break of $3 on TCBP. Making a strong move here. See if it can break that $3. There it goes. It's at 3. So it got more. A lot of sellers at 3. There it goes. There's a nice pop. I'll take it. Did I get a good fill? Nope. Lost $200. Damn it. Damn it. Well, I made 420 on the trade before it and just gave back 2, but didn't get a good fill. That was a nice pop.
Coach, I got to run for about an hour. I got to run over to the courthouse to get a document, but I'll hopefully be back within the hour.
No worries, man. I'm going to be gone in about 2 minutes. Take it easy. So I should wrap up right now. Okay. I want to thank all my moderators. Sorry, I got to take off just a little bit early today. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Dawn, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, unhappily housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Kaizen, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McC. I'm going to play my video real quick, and then we will thank everybody else. Hold on just 1 second. If you guys are interested at all in joining, here's our information. Services, of course, website is always here. $200 for our regular membership gets you immediately into Zoom. You can see every trade I make. You'll get hot stock picks, the videos on demand, the IPO center, and the pre-market setup, all with the regular $200 membership. When you're ready to step it up, though, I highly recommend the VIP membership. You'll be able to start trading early at 4 a.m. You'll get to trade with some of our other millionaires inside of that room. You guys will get masterclass training with me every day at 8:15. You'll get the VIP lounge, all of those hot stock picks, pre-market setup. You're going to get the IPO center, the videos on demand, all of the workshop classes for free, and we put one of those on every single month. You'll get all the VIP training videos, the Trading View indicators. These were designed specifically based on my 2-minute EWO, which, by the way, no trader in the world has ever used what we are doing with the Elliott Wave Oscillator. And we have a lot of people finding success, obviously, with this. You'll also get VIP seating at the meetups. If you are a VIP member and you want more training, VIP Gold, you can add that on for an additional $2,500 a year. Right now, as one of the specials that I have, this could go away, but right now, if you sign up for the VIP Gold, you will have a one-on-one with a moderator. That is a $500 value just for that. And all the mastermind classes, you get every mastermind class for free during your subscription. You'll get 1 hour of tech support if you need it, so we can remote in, we can help you set up those charts. Anything specific, right, that will get you going, we can help you with that. You're also going to get, for the first time ever, weekend training. We've been doing it every Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern, and because it's the weekend, it is literally like a one-on-one. You'll also get our new service showing us everything, right, that's going on in the market and breakout rooms. So anytime we do a breakout room, that's only for VIP Gold members. You guys will be able to access that. Use your affiliate account. You guys will also get a piece of everything. So you have family members, neighbors, people in your church, people that you guys want to help out. You can give them your link, and that will also give you a kickback immediately. It's immediate. As soon as they pay for it, you guys will get money. You'll see it in your monies that you can just withdraw. Send them to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Again, thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. What? Hold on a second. Give me just 1 second. There we go. All right. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Hey, there we go. Thank you for stepping up, man. I appreciate that.
Good job, Harlow.
Thank you. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Don't forget, get your mastermind class over at AmericanDreamTrading.com, how to grow a small account. Appreciate all of you. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Have an amazing day. Peace.
See you, Coach.
You too.
Hasta la
Thanks,
vista,
guys.
baby.
Appreciate you
I
guys.
love you, Kev.
Love you too. Everybody be cool.
Coach, can you look at our leg?
Thanks, Coach.
Good day.
I'm still in eye-lag. I'm still in eye-lag.
Good. Hold. Diamond hands.
Diamond hands.